Today we are going to talk about something that has been popping up all over the tech world: quantum computing. It sounds super futuristic, right? But this is something which could really change the way we do computing forever. In this video, we'll break down the basics of quantum computing, how it works, and why it is so important. So let's get started. Okay, first things first. What is quantum computing? To understand it, let's quickly look at how regular computers work. If you've ever used a computer or a smartphone, you probably have heard of bits. A bit is the smallest piece of data a computer can process, and it can only exist in one or two states, either a 0 or 1. All your apps, videos, web pages are just the combination of these bits. Simple, right? But now, imagine a world where those bits just don't stay 0 or 1. Instead, they can exist in multiple states at once. This is where quantum computing comes in. Quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits. Unlike regular bits, qubits can be in a state of 0, 1 or both 0 and 1 at the same time. This is called superposition. So what is this superposition? Let's dive a little deeper into that. Imagine flipping a coin. It can either be heads or tails, right? But in quantum computing, that coin doesn't land as heads or tails. While it is spinning, it is in a state where it can be both heads and tails at the same time. That is superposition. But here's where it gets even cooler. Quantum computers can also use something called entanglement. This is when two qubits become connected such that the state of one qubit directly affects the state of another. So no matter how far apart they are, they can affect each other. It's like having two magic dice. No matter how far they are, if you roll one, the other immediately knows the outcome. So why does this matter? Well, the power of quantum computers comes from their ability to process a huge amount of information at once. For example, with superposition, a quantum computer can check all possible answers to a problem simultaneously, making it potentially thousands, or I should say even millions of times faster than a classical computer for that same task. How can this be used? This could revolutionize fields like cryptography, medicine, finance, weather forecasting, and artificial intelligence. Imagine being able to stimulate a complex molecule to develop a new medicine in seconds, or even break encryption codes that would take centuries with traditional computers. But hold on, it's not all that smooth sailing. Quantum computers is still in a very early stage. Right now, there are big challenges. One of the biggest is quantum decoherence. This is when qubits lose their quantum state due to interference from the environment. Think of it like trying to balance a pencil on its tip. If you blow on it, it will fall. There are also other risks. There is a threat of quantum warfare linked with potential military applications. There can be quantum attacks on data being transported by the current communication infrastructure. There can be monopolization of quantum technologies by a few actors. Let's see now what's happening in India. India is making huge strides in this field. So let's explore the top quantum technology initiatives in India and see how the country is preparing for a future that's powered by quantum computing, secure communications, and much more. First up, we've got the National Mission on Quantum Technologies and Application launched in 2020 by the Government of India. This mission has an impressive 8,000 crore budget to fuel quantum research over a 5-year period. The mission focuses on 4 key areas. You have quantum computing, you have secure quantum communications, then quantum sensors for applications like defense and healthcare, and you have quantum meteorology. It's all about positioning India as a global leader in this field. Imagine a country where quantum technologies are used to revolutionize everything from smartphones to national security. One of the most exciting applications of quantum tech is in quantum communication, especially when it comes to data security. India has already implemented quantum secure communication links for data transmission between cities like Delhi and Ahmedabad. This could be a game changer in protecting sensitive data from cyber threats. Quantum tech isn't just for computing or communication. It can play a huge role in defense applications. The Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, is exploring how quantum sensors can be used for high precision radars and secure communication systems. India's private sector is also getting in on the action. Startups are building solutions for industries like finance, healthcare, cybersecurity using these quantum computers. The tech giants are jumping in too. Companies like Tata Consultancy Services are setting up quantum computing labs to experiment with algorithms and real-world applications. So, what does the future hold? Well, India's quantum tech journey is just beginning. With its robust investment in research, private sector involvement, and international collaboration, India is positioning itself as a major player in the global quantum race. The future of quantum computing is super exciting, but it's still a work in progress. Major companies like IBM, Google, and even startups are pushing boundaries of what is possible and what could be done. As quantum computing advances, we are likely to see breakthroughs that could change the world as we know it. Eventually, we could see quantum computers working alongside our classical computers, solving problems that were once thought to be unsolvable. It's a bit like in the early days of internet. At first, we couldn't even imagine how it would change our lives, how it would change the world. But today, it's really hard to imagine a world without it. So here you have it, a quick introduction to quantum computing. It's a super exciting field with tons of potential. So what do you think? Are you excited about the future of quantum tech? Let us know and we will keep bringing you more such videos in deep dive.